AI Excel. Step 1. Open AI Excel. On the left panel, click on AI Excel to access the spreadsheet generation tool. Step 2. Generate an Excel sheet. Simply enter a prompt describing the Excel sheet you need. For example, generate an employee salary sheet. Otek AI will instantly generate a well-structured, formatted spreadsheet based on your request. You can further modify the generated sheet by editing cell values, adding formulas, or adjusting formatting as needed. Step 3. Understanding the options. Once your sheet is generated, you will see multiple options at the top for further actions. View. Click to preview the generated Excel sheet before downloading. Copy. Copy the sheet data to your clipboard for quick use elsewhere. Export document. Download the entire spreadsheet as a document. Download sheet. Save the sheet in Excel format to your device. Example. View sample Excel sheets to understand formatting and structure before generating your own. Regenerate. If you're not satisfied with the output, click this to generate a new version with improved data formatting. Try Otek AI's Excel generator today and automate your spreadsheet creation in seconds.